My name is Elena Shevchuk. I am a surf coach, and today we're going to talk through paddling technique and paddling movement in surfing. Down to the floor, bring your head up, elongate spine in the neck, and try to project your sternum bone. Imagine you're having a flashlight in your sternum bone, rib cage perhaps in a neutral position. Okay, can you switch direction of your circles? Now we're going back, push like you're paddling, push water back, extend elbow completely, bring that arm back, switch to the other one, don't stay for too long, switch to the other one. Goes down into the water, we grab water, we push it backward, down into the water, grab, pull, push. So elbow high at all times, vertical entry, fingers down, palm vertical.